Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And we are looking at some battles between the Zimbabwean government and the South African government. You know, when you see these things happening, when you see Sophie Mukwena trading blows with the ZANU PF people, just know that that is the position of her government. When you see SABC blasting ZANU PF, just know that that is the position of South Africa towards Zimbabwe. It seems as if the relations between South Africa and Zimbabwe are becoming sour. Why? There are tectonic shifts which are happening in the South African government in terms of leadership, in terms of influence and everything. Let us go to this video from Sophie Mukwena.
To perform badly. And I think the other issues are bread and butter issues. Botswana were not happy in terms of the direction the country was taking, the corruption, the association with Zimbabwe also, and the Zimbabwean ZANU PF officials being so brazen in going to that country during election, posting on social media their support for the BDP.
So if you look at what Sophie Mukwena said, she was reporting about ZANU PF, and she was mentioning the corruption, all the activities happening within ZANU PF. Guess what happened? It's not ZANU PF which responded to Sophie Mukwena. It's Nick Mangwana, the government spokesperson. And that makes us raise questions to say, why is Nick responding on behalf of ZANU PF? Why is Nick blasting Sophie? And he said, absolute baloney, disinformation packaged as an analysis. While there's no intense animosity between Zim and the RSA, there are some activists in the letter who exhibit some xenophobic traits and try to drag Zim into anything that can be perceived as negative. Shame on them. Right here, the issue is about the alliance of ZANU PF and the BDP, how ZANU PF corruption and influence in BDP caused that political party to lose a power. And then Nick Mangwana is coming out left, right, and center, attacking Sophie Mukwena and labeling some activists, hidden activists. Who are these activists? It's common knowledge that ZANU PF is no longer a favorite in South Africa. They have learned from what happened in the past election that associating with ZANU PF is detrimental to their success. So you'd see that they're attaching Sophie Mukwena to some G40 elements and to some G40 things. But there are times where Sophie Mukwena was speaking good about ZANU PF. They never said anything. There are times where Sophie Mukwena was reporting positively about ZANU PF. They never labeled her a G40 sympathizer or what. Why? It's because these shifts are happening and the cracks are widening. Emmerson Mnangagwa is being exposed further, and Emmerson Mnangagwa is being left more vulnerable. So where we are going, and very interesting moments I expect of Zimbabwe. So Nomara says Malawi, Zambia, SA, and Botswana, the war returned. Advise your Madalas to allow young blood to take the reins in the party. Otherwise, it's bye-bye, ZANU PF. Check the composition of the population. So these people, they are forgetting kuti vanhu vemuZimbabwe kunyarara kwesikupusa. Vanhu vemuZimbabwe, if they want to end this nonsense, they will end this nonsense. And definitely the people of Zimbabwe will end this nonsense. So this is what is happening. ZANU PF people were being exposed during after the elections in Botswana, and the government of Zimbabwe spokesperson answers on behalf defending his own government. The major question is, why are you picking fights with Sophie Mukwena, labeling her names while she was speaking about the reality about what is happening? Is there no corruption? It's there. Is there no human rights abuse? They're there. You know, did she lie? Absolutely no. And why are you attacking her? It's because they don't want the truth to be told. So expect more fireworks. Zimbabwe ruling party ZANU PF is singing. Let us look at Mozambique. Let us look at Namibia. And those countries, very, very soon, you understand what you're talking about. Because they will be left embarrassed because of the involvement